Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable power button or key on Windows 10 PC. For this, first open a start menu by clicking on the start button on the taskbar, and here type control panel, and in the search results click on this one control panel entry. Once control panel opens on your Windows PC, set view by to category, and then click on this one hardware and sound category. Under power options, click on this one option, what change what the power buttons do, and here use this one drop down menu. When I press the power button, use this one drop down menu and select this one do nothing option. Now click on this one save changes button. That's it. Now when you will press power button, your PC will not turn off, restart, or even it will not go in sleep mode because it is disabled.